I'm Susan. Today I'm trying a new peanut butter bar because I can never have too much peanut butter in my life. And it sounds delicious. It's got oats in it and chocolate chips in it, and it's got an icing. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're doing great. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 stick of butter, which is 1/2 cup, softened. You'll need 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. You'll need 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of quick cook oats, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm spraying a 9x13 baking dish. You want to cream your butter, your sugars, and your peanut butter in a mixing bowl until smooth and creamy. Once it's smooth and creamy, you want to add in your beaten egg and your vanilla and mix until it's well combined. While this is creaming, in a separate bowl, you want to add your flour, your oats, your salt, and your baking soda and mix it to combine. Now just mix in your dry ingredients to your creamed ingredients and just stir it really well. Spread it out into your baking dish and do that the best you can, because it was a very sticky dough, but just spread it out as well as you can. Once you get your dough spread out, just sprinkle the top with your chocolate chips, and you'll want to bake it for about 20-25 minutes until it's lightly brown. Once it gets finished baking, you want to try to spread your chocolate chips over the top. Mine didn't spread, and I don't know why, but I just went with it. And you want to let it cool for 10 minutes before icing it. Alright, for the icing, we'll need 1/2 cup of confectioner's sugar. We'll need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And 2 tablespoons of milk. And we just want to mix that together and drizzle it over the top. Now the chocolate chips were supposed to have melted, and they did not. So I'm still just going to drizzle this over the top. It still should be good. And here it is. It was so good. I really enjoyed it. I mean, surprise, it's peanut butter and chocolate and oats. What can be better? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I would have let you see me eating this, but it was a hot mess. That kitchen was hot. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.